Alright everyone, we can see the crash of the gold market and see that price is dumping really hard. But we can take advantage of that opportunity by seeing this movement here. And when you see that movement, you know that that is the sign or the movement for a fractal that we're very interested in. Okay, so let's take it. Let's see. Okay, so we take this. I think this is lower, or which is lower? This is lower here in the scale. Okay, that one is lower there, so we take it and all the way to 50%, right? Go see what happens. Okay, so now we do not have a clear visual. What do? We take a coffee again, then the low before the lowest low, right? That's this here. Okay, that's this here. And I'll do 50% of this length. All right, so flip. And now we can see this area right here fits with this. So we just need a little more push to be upside and to see this confirmations here. And choose rise ready to move to the downside. Okay, then we enter our trade here at this area. And okay, this cannot be here. Yeah, we have to invert our scale back. Let's go here. Then take a buy. Take a buy from this level here. Then we're going to take it to 100% because something tells me gold is going back to all-time high. Something tells me, a fractal tells me rather. So this is what we have for a trade for this week. Okay, so here so which other fractals can we use to show that this price is correct? See this area here, we have price showing the equal high. That's the self-similarity map. So just take a copy from here, this low, all the way to this level here. Okay, then we can see the price is already printed. This area is right here. All right, this here. Okay, and that's the self-similarity map. So what do we have? We have self-similarity map with M fractal. M fractal. Last time I wrote MF alone, someone thought I wrote motherfucker. And fractals, right? So these are two confluences we have for our trade. Now, if this price start going without us, then we know that, oh yeah, but it should, let's definitely our stop loss should capture that fractal. So we adjust our entry to here. Then make sure our stop loss is okay for this. Not too wide, not too far. Okay, this is asymmetric bet, asymmetric risk. Okay, now we're taking here. So after adjusting our entries, we can see that the price has moved in our direction, and that's that is roughly about 1 to 3.7, 3.8-ish risk to reward. So the fractals, correct? And we talked about using the self-similarity map with the mirrored fractal that we have here. So that's how we trade with fractal geometry, and price has moved well, and we expect it to get to our target, especially at this high here. Okay, that's gonna end us 1 to 5 risk to reward. Right, so let's get it done. Everyone, the current price of gold is at 4,600. So we are going to check our move. This trade has lasted exactly about 8 days. So let's see. And here we have it. Our self-similarity map together with our mirrored fractal has given us 1, 2, 3 risk to reward. It's about to be completed at 5. There is an attractor in this area that draws the price. Okay, so there we have it. 0 drawdown gold trade, and the crash happened and everyone thought the Bitcoin price was going to get to 3,000, gold rather. So the gold price is going to drop to 3,900. So let's see, we expect it to get here before the next Asian session. So we bring our take profit, stop loss to this area, and not care about any of the move. Right, so good luck and good trading. Stay tuned for the next gold video, because that one is much more long-term gold movement. We have our gold trade set to move for at least a month or a couple of weeks. Okay, so when the analysis is completed, I'm going to share the techniques and strategies for trading in that way. Good luck and good trading. Stay consistent, stay fruitful with your trading journey, and learn fractals. Fractal geometry is your key to success in the trading world. Okay.